The Ford Mustang GT is about to go through the biggest transformation we have seen in decades. Leaked engineering chatter, insider sources, and early supplier reports are all pointing towards something massive. Ford appears ready to completely reinvent its legendary 5.0-liter V8 for the 2027 Mustang GT. And the question every single enthusiast is asking right now is this: is the iconic Coyote engine finally dead? Stick around, because what Ford is planning could change American muscle forever. Before we talk about what is coming, we need to talk about why the Coyote matters so deeply. When Ford dropped the dual overhead cam 5.0-liter Coyote V8 back in 2011, it completely changed the muscle car game overnight. At the time, critics were saying naturally aspirated V8 engines were basically finished. Ford proved every single one of them wrong by delivering a high-revving, technologically advanced engine that combined old-school American muscle with genuinely modern engineering. The original Coyote started at 412 horsepower, but Ford never stopped improving it. Direct injection, better airflow, variable valve timing, stronger internals, and upgraded intake systems pushed output significantly higher over the years. Today, the Mustang GT and Dark Horse versions are pushing well past 480 horsepower, while still being surprisingly reliable and drivable on a daily basis. Experts praise the Coyote for its exceptional durability under heavy load, its high RPM capability compared to traditional pushrod V8 engines, its massive aftermarket tuning potential, and its ability to balance emissions compliance with real-world performance. For millions of enthusiasts, the Coyote did not just power the Mustang, it became the very identity of the modern Mustang itself. That is exactly why these 2027 rumors are creating such a massive reaction across the entire enthusiast world. So why would Ford ever consider replacing an engine this legendary? The answer comes down to several major industry forces that are impossible to ignore. First, global emissions regulations are becoming brutal. Standards are tightening every single year, and Europe is growing increasingly hostile toward large displacement gasoline engines. Even here in North America, stricter carbon output targets are moving closer. A naturally aspirated V8, no matter how advanced, faces serious challenges surviving into the 2030s under those regulations. Industry analysts believe Ford simply needs a cleaner, smarter V8 architecture built for the future. Second, the competition has evolved dramatically. The muscle car war looks completely different today compared to even 5 years ago. The Chevrolet Corvette Z06 brought exotic flat plane crank engineering to an American sports car. Dodge shifted the Charger toward electrification. Luxury performance brands are embracing hybrid powertrains everywhere you look. Ford clearly recognizes that the next Mustang GT cannot just be another Coyote refresh. It needs a genuine leap forward. Third, the Mustang has to stay relevant on a global stage. To compete worldwide, Ford needs more power, better efficiency, faster acceleration, lower emissions, hybrid compatibility, and deeper electronic integration. The current Coyote architecture may simply be reaching the end of what it can realistically offer. Now here is where things get really interesting. According to multiple automotive insiders and reports circulating through enthusiast communities, Ford engineers are allegedly testing a heavily revised 5.0-liter platform right now. Some sources claim the engine may technically still carry the Coyote name. Others suggest an entirely new engine family is coming. Leaked potential features include hybrid-assisted V8 technology, electrically assisted torque delivery, a new lightweight aluminum block design, revised combustion chamber geometry, higher compression ratios, advanced thermal management systems, dual fuel injection upgrades, and improved active exhaust technology. Perhaps the most intriguing detail is that some insiders believe Ford may introduce partial electrification without ever sacrificing the emotional character that makes a Mustang GT special. That could mean massive instant low-end torque, combined with traditional V8 sound and screaming high RPM excitement. Ford may be attempting to build the perfect bridge between classic muscle car heritage and next-generation performance engineering. Now, before any enthusiast panics at the word electrification, understand what this likely means. Experts believe Ford is not replacing the V8 with a full electric motor overnight. Instead, the strategy appears to involve using hybrid assistance in a smart, targeted way. Hybrid systems bring instant torque, improved fuel economy, reduced emissions, better launch performance, and enhanced throttle response. Performance cars around the world are already running this formula successfully. Even exotic supercars now rely on hybrid technology to stay competitive. Ford may simply be adapting those proven ideas to American muscle. A hybrid Mustang GT could realistically produce somewhere between 550 and 650 combined horsepower, deliver sub 3.5 seconds 0 to 60 times, improve track cooling, and offer better corner exit acceleration. That is not a weaker Mustang. That is a faster Mustang. And for many experts, hybrid integration is honestly the only realistic path that keeps the V8 alive long term. The single most emotional topic for Mustang fans remains the sound. The Coyote's deep growl, aggressive bark, and high RPM scream define what the modern Mustang experience actually feels like. If Ford significantly changes the engine architecture, that sound will naturally evolve too. Some insiders say Ford is experimenting with active exhaust tuning, variable exhaust pathways, electronically enhanced acoustics, different firing orders, and revised intake resonance systems. However, analysts strongly believe Ford understands just how critical exhaust character is to Mustang buyers. A quiet Mustang GT would be a disaster. Many experts actually believe electrification could enhance performance acoustics by allowing the gasoline engine to operate more aggressively during hard driving, since the electric system handles lower demand situations separately. On the horsepower front, industry speculation suggests the 2027 Mustang GT may target over 520 horsepower in standard GT trim, with performance variants potentially breaking 600 horsepower. Some reports even mention possible all-wheel drive variants and hybrid torque boosts that would place the Mustang directly against serious European performance machines. Ford clearly wants the Mustang competing globally, not just against traditional American rivals. Online Mustang communities have absolutely exploded with reactions to these leaks. Enthusiasts are excited about the possibility of higher power numbers, but worried about potential weight increases from hybrid components. There is genuine curiosity about long-term hybrid reliability, concern about future pricing, and a very real fear surrounding manual transmission availability. Hybrid systems significantly complicate traditional transmission engineering. Experts believe Ford may pursue a dual strategy, keeping a manual option alive for enthusiast-focused trims, while offering an advanced automatic for performance-oriented buyers. Abandoning the manual entirely would alienate the core Mustang audience in a serious way. Beyond the engine, rumors also suggest the 2027 Mustang GT could receive sharper aerodynamic bodywork, larger cooling openings, redesigned hood extraction systems, lightweight materials, and more aggressive lighting signatures. And if the standard GT gets a revolutionary new engine, the Shelby variants could become genuinely insane. Experts are speculating about electrified supercharged V8 systems, over 700 horsepower, advanced torque vectoring, and carbon fiber construction that would put future Shelby models in direct competition with exotic European supercars. The 2027 Mustang GT may ultimately represent the most important turning point in muscle car history. Ford is attempting something extraordinarily difficult: preserve genuine heritage, meet tightening regulations, deliver modern performance, satisfy traditional enthusiasts while attracting younger buyers, compete directly against electric performance vehicles. Very few cars carry the emotional weight of the Mustang. Every engineering decision Ford makes here will matter enormously. If they get this right, the 2027 Mustang GT becomes the blueprint for how traditional performance cars survive an electrified future. If they get it wrong, enthusiasts may look back at this as the beginning of the end for real American muscle. Ford still seems committed to keeping the Mustang loud, powerful, emotional, and exciting. And right now, that is exactly what fans need to hear.